Hey lovelies, welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Lovelies, I brought you this delicious eggplant sauce, a must try for everyone. Let's get it started. This is aubergine that I'll be using. This eggplant is so affordable. Feel free to use this recipe for your garden egg sauce. It is also perfect for it. That's the garden egg I'll be using today. I've washed them. I'll be using 4 pieces. I've washed them. I'm now just going to open them and dice it. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much to you, all my supporters. Thank you so much for commenting, for your likes, for sharing. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. God bless you. So lovely. So you can see I've diced them now and I pour them in a pot. That is the pot. It is filled up. It doesn't matter. So I've just added cold water into it. I'm now just going to cover it and allow it to boil. While that is boiling, those are the onions I'll be using. Be generous with your onions. You will love the result. Dice it and keep it aside. What I have here is my red bell pepper. I'm just going to open it, clean it, and dice it. What I have here is the green bell pepper I'll be using. This is optional. You can use only red bell pepper, but if you want it to give you super delicious, yummy color, do it this way. You will love the result. And the third bell pepper I'm using is the yellow one. I'm just going to clean it and dice it too. So after that, what I have here is just a tray. I'm going to pack them into it. And I also have my green onions that I'll be using. Use it just for garnishing at the end. You will love the look as well and the taste, of course. So I'm just going to use the scissors to cut it. So our vegetables are ready. Let us check the eggplant. Now the water is boiled. It's now time to take those eggplants out of the water. Drain it and just keep it on a board. Okay, keep it there. Get a fork and mash it like this. You don't need to blend this. This is so soft and it is ready. Just get a fork and mash it. So that's the seed. That's the second batch. You know, we're using 4 eggplants, so they are much. I'm just going to mash it that way. In a pot, I'll be pouring some vegetable oil. You can use palm oil for this as well. All right, it's also perfect for it. So I'm just going to pour half of the onion into the oil. I'm going to fry it for about 2 minutes just to flavor the oil. You will love it. What I have here is my tomato paste. Yes, we call it tin tomato. After frying the onions for about 2 minutes, add the tin tomato into it and fry on the middle it until the pepper turns like this. You can see, let me show you. Can you see it? It is super fried and you will love the taste at this stage. So what I have oil here is also my sardine. Try sardine with this recipe. You are going to thank me later. This is super perfect and you will love the result. I'm telling you, it is amazing. So I'm just going to mix everything together and allow them to fry together as well. So after that, I'm just going to add chili flakes into this. Remember, I did not add habanero at the beginning. Habanero is perfect for it as well, no problem. I've just added seasoning and I'm also adding seasoning mixture. It's optional. And it's now time to add salt. Feel free to use crayfish powder if you have it and mix together at this stage and then fry on the low to medium heat. Don't let it get burned. So I've been frying that for about 7 to 10 minutes. It's now time to add the super mashed eggplant into the sauce. I'll now mix everything together, combine them well. This aroma I'm having here shows this is going to be super delicious. And at this stage, add the remaining onions and get those vegetables as well. Add everything. At this stage, this recipe is so direct, simple, and delicious. Now give it a good mix. Let them be well combined. Take your time to do this and you will love the result. Mix it well. Mix, mix, mix. Have you subscribed? Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And let me get the feedback after trying this super simple but perfect recipe. So I'm just going to allow this to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. It's now time to garnish it with a green onion mixed together. And lovelies, we are almost through. We are getting nearer and nearer. That is it. So let it be there for just a minute. And it's now time to taste for salt. This is delicious. This is super. My God. So sorry. I need to taste this again. This is a must try for everyone. In fact, you can eat it like this and you can also rock it with yam. This is super. It is super. You can rock this with yam or you eat it like this. Eat it with dodo. Eat it with anything. Lovelies. I'm recommending this. Make sure you try this. I'm rocking this with potatoes. Can you see this potato? This is boiled tomato. Perfect for fried one as well. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.